Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can transfer from crypto.com to Robinhood. In order to transfer from crypto.com to Robinhood, it's a very simple process. First of all, you'll have to copy the wallet address. For that, go ahead and open up your Robinhood application and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go to your profile, and then you need to go ahead and select what you actually want to receive. So type in the asset, and then you need to go ahead and tap the receive button. As soon as you click the receive button, next interface, you have to set up some of the information. After you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and copy the wallet address, and once you're done copying the wallet address, then you need to exit out of your crypto or Robinhood account and then log in into your crypto.com. Once you're logged into your crypto.com, it's going to take you to the interface something like this. Now tap the trade icon located right at the bottom and click on send. Next page, you'll be asked to select what you actually want to send. So go ahead and select the cryptocurrency, and as soon as you're done tapping on it, enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer and paste in the wallet address where you're actually sending. Confirm it and click the transfer button. That's how you can transfer from crypto.com to Robinhood. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.